Yo, what's up, everybody? This message is for anybody who owns a 2020 Ram 3500 Cummins with the turbo 6.7 liter engine in it. I just worked on one and it showed low fuel pressure from the regulator, and it threw a whole bunch of codes, all of them fuel related. So I was looking around on the internet, and what do I find but a whole bunch of complaints on this car. So since it's new, I doubt there's a video on it, so I'm gonna make one. The issue is caused by a high pressure fuel pump. The stock fuel pump in these vehicles is too powerful. It shreds pieces, it gets I don't know how, but it gets bits and pieces of metal within the pump, and it cuts it off, and it turns it and it destroys it and ruins it. So if you have one, time to replace that pump. Go take it to, I'm talking 35,000 miles are on this vehicle. I've seen 17,500 miles on this vehicle before the fuel pump goes out. So if you guys have one, a fuel pump, okay, or if you have a diesel 6.7 liter engine and it died on you while driving, it's time to take it to the dealer and get that warranty, and get them to fix it under that warranty. So just wanted to share that with you. If you guys are looking around and can't find any videos, hope this helped.